loves, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. My name is Esther, and in today's video it is all about this beautiful unit from Wiggins Hair. Now, as always, I love to share with y'all like just all the products that I get in my box in hopes that you guys get the same thing. Now here is the stunning unit. This is their loose deep wave lace frontal, and this is a 22-inch. Honey, it is stunning. Okay, it's gorgeous. So I obviously took the net out, and I'm going to show you guys inside of the hair. And this unit does come already pre-plucked. Okay, the knots are already bleached, so they've done everything for you. The most that you will actually do is just throw on the wig. So there's no customization with this unit, which I love. This is a perfect beginner friendly unit. Now look at the plucking, y'all. Y'all can't tell me this does not look good. This looks so good. They did such a good job. They did not over pluck, and they did not over bleach. Look at that. And this is honestly without me tinted the lace, so y'all know it looks so good fresh out the box. Now this unit does come with 2 combs on the side, one all the way at the bottom, and it also comes with an adjustable strap, so you know you can wear this unit as a glueless unit if you would like. Again, I don't really wear all my units glueless, but I love the fact that this unit gives us that option. Now, I mentioned earlier that you do have to also tint the lace if you want it to match with your skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do that off camera and throw on the unit, but I did want to show you guys how this unit looks inside. I honestly could not get over how beautiful and natural this hairline looks. I mean, they did a pretty good job plucking. So you already know you could do different styles with this unit. Even if you want to do a few braids on it, I think it's just gonna look so natural and realistic. Again, tint the lace and you should be ready to go. Now I do want to mention also this unit is very soft, and it does have less shedding. It doesn't shed as much. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is add a little bit of mousse to this unit. I really did not have to go too crazy. I just added a little bit of mousse just to bring those waves back to life. I did not wet this unit at all, but I'm sure once you wash it and let it sit overnight, the waves are just gonna come back to life, and they're just gonna look so stunning. So keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting this lace off, and I do want to mention I did lose the clip of me gluing this unit down, but I mean obviously you guys have seen me glue many units on my head, so that's nothing new. But what clip I did have in this video is me spraying my melting spray on my finger and just dabbing it on the lace. So you guys are gonna see that here in a few seconds, but I obviously wanted to show this part and keep this part in. Thank God this part was not deleted, but obviously it's just me cutting the lace, and I've already tinted the lace, and y'all see how it just, oh my gosh, I mean, Y'all, this looks so good. You honestly don't need to glue this unit down if you don't want to. Like, it could be just thrown on, but I like to glue my units down, even if I'm using just a melting spray. It just makes the unit look 10 times better. But this is the unit already glued down, and then I'm using my melting spray. I sprayed on my finger, and I'm just dabbing that on the lace, and it just melts even more. I'm obsessed with how this unit turned out, y'all. Clearly this hair does not need baby hair, but I wanted to add a little bit of baby hair, and you guys are gonna see what I did. I went ahead and just like created the baby hair with like a I forgot the name of the product, but it's like pretty much like a gel. I used that to create the baby hair, and then I let it sit for a little bit, and then I used my edges brush, the comb side, and I just brushed it out for it to be a little bit more fluffy and for it to just look a little bit more natural. I don't like stiff baby hair nowadays. If I'm gonna do baby hair, I love the fluffy baby hair look. So that is it for me yapping it up about this unit, you guys. As always, I have all the details in the description box, the length, the density, the link, and if I have any discount codes, it's gonna be in the description box. I love y'all so much. Now Sana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.